Hi, I'm Jeff Fraser. Welcome to ST9 Tech Talks. This episode is all about packing. Packing components are divided into two halves, hard packing and soft packing. On this side of the table we have the hard packing, which is comprised of the spacer ring, the top adapter ring, and the lantern ring. Now on this side of the table we have the soft packing, which is made up of the header ring, which is the ring that creates the seal around the plunger, the two pressure rings, which support the header ring as the plunger reciprocates, and our soft packing kit also comes with this wiper seal that goes inside the packing nut. That is not to mention the packing nut itself, as well as the anti-rotation stopping device. The anti-rotation stopping device currently only comes in one flavor. I think it's supposed to be black licorice. It's not very good. Leave us a comment down below if you think we should add some new flavors. Also, give us a like, and if it's possible on the platform you're on, subscribe. Thanks. Right, so we're all familiar with the components of packing, but how do we properly install and maintain them in our ST9 fluid ends? Let me show you. First goes the spacer ring, which is bidirectional, so it could go in either way. Next is the header ring, which is not bidirectional. It has a flat face, which faces inwards or towards the pressure, and matches the flat face on the spacer ring. The other face is ridged and faces outwards. It matches the shape on the pressure rings, which come in next. Next is the top adapter ring, which has a concave face which matches the pressure rings, and a flat face which faces outwards. Now we'll install the wiper seal on the packing nut. Notice the seal has a ridge which faces inwards or toward the pressure. See those holes? Make sure they match up with the holes on the lantern ring when it's installed into the packing nut. This is how lubricant gets to the plunger. Now we can install the packing nut. We recommend the use of anti-seize on all threaded parts on the fluid end, including this packing nut. Notice how installing the nut compresses the packing. This is how we make sure that every component of the packing is forced to be concentric and right where it needs to be. Just your hands in a bar here, guys. No need for sledgehammers. Once you've tightened the nut all the way down by hand, back it off a little. Now that the packing is properly seated, screw the nut in just enough that it touches the packing. Mark it at this point. Now we'll measure the distance between the back face of the fluid end to the back face of the packing nut. From this position, we'll tighten the packing nut down just enough that it is 1 millimeter deeper into the fluid end. As you can see, that's about a quarter turn. There you have it. We're a millimeter deeper into the fluid end. This ensures that the packing has the correct amount of compression on it for both maintaining a seal and maximizing life. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. This video was a lot of fun to make. If you liked it, leave us a like. Let us know in the comments. If you didn't like it, keep that to yourself. Hey, come on, man. You trying to ruin this for me? But for real, guys, check us out. We're on LinkedIn, we're on YouTube, we're on Instagram. We're all over the place. Keep your eyes peeled for new videos coming out. We're going to be doing a ton more of these. So if there's a topic you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Come join our revolution, guys. And remember to always say up yours to normal upstream.